Hello, my name is Carrie McCoy, and I'm a woman in long-term recovery and a proud 2014 graduate of Pottawatomie County Drug Court in Shawnee, Oklahoma, which is also the hometown of actor Brad Pitt. I have been involved in the recovery community through a variety of roles in support and advocacy since 2016. My recovery journey led me to become a service provider with local mental and behavioral health agencies. Currently, I work to overcome poverty in my community with an organization called Shawnee Bridges. I coordinate programming and foster engagement with community partners who will support students who are motivated to learn ways to break the cycle of poverty in their lives and become empowered, self-directed, and successful. I am also a proud member of the advisory board for the Racial and Ethnic Disparities Initiative, or REDI, at American University in Washington, D.C. REDI is a project that uses research, training and technical assistance, and policy development to rectify racial and ethnic disparities in treatment courts. In this edition of Court Chat, I want to highlight several barriers that minoritized treatment court participants may encounter regarding obtaining employment, and then I'll provide strategies to improve career opportunities for participants. As I think about the unemployment rate of racial and ethnic minorities in the United States, I cannot ignore the individual, institutional, and systemic racism that creates disadvantage regarding employment obtainment for people of color. For example, discriminatory hiring practices, difficulty accessing quality education and resources, limited access to capital and social networks can also contribute to higher unemployment rates. Biased hiring processes are far from rare. According to a 2023 Monster poll, 40% of respondents reported having experienced racial discrimination in the hiring process. Additionally, some individuals dealing with a substance use disorder encounter a barrage of barriers seeking employment. Barriers may include low levels of education, insufficient technical and/or interpersonal skills, a lack of case management services, unreliable transportation, a criminal record, unstable housing, childcare needs, childhood adverse experiences, generational trauma, and more. Also, external challenges exist for those who may eventually land employment. For instance, workplaces often lack culturally sensitive policies, which can aggravate a new hire, causing them to quit. Employers also may find fault with a treatment court participant missing work for a court status hearing or meetings that are a requirement of the treatment court. Overcoming these barriers may be difficult for a person in early recovery, because while in recovery, coping skills are still in development during this phase. Sorting through feelings that individuals with substance use disorders have been running from and learning new healthy social behaviors requires adequate time and attention. There are 3 strategies I want to discuss to enhance employment opportunities for treatment court participants. First, treatment court professionals can invite employers to be a part of the treatment court team. Collaboration between the treatment court team and local employers can increase employers' understanding of the treatment court model and how their role fits into it. Employers can be an asset to treatment court teams by offering participants job skills workshops and by providing employment opportunities to participants. Moreover, employers can create supportive work environments for treatment court participants by allowing for flexible work schedules to accommodate appointments. Second, treatment courts can hire employment specialists with lived experience dealing with a substance use disorder, since they will have firsthand knowledge of navigating the job market while in recovery. The employment specialist should also be a person with empathetic mindset. This person will be a cheerleader for the treatment court participants and spark hope in their recovery journey. Having a person on the team as an employment specialist can help participants with job searching, resume writing, preparation for job interviews, and acquiring clothing and transportation for interviews. The employment specialist will be responsible for building relationships with employers and seeking job and training opportunities. Then, the employment specialist can match participants' skills to the careers or job skills training options. Third, leverage the community support programming that may already exist in your area that offers employment services. Existing programming may provide job coaching, financial literacy, and other supportive skill sets. These additional services will be beneficial to help participants enter the workplace. When treatment courts invite employers to join the team, hire employment specialists with lived experience, and tap into existing community support programming, employment rates should increase for treatment court participants. With greater employment for participants, it will give them a sense of accomplishment, increase their chances of staying crime and drug-free, and they will have the financial resources to meet their basic needs. It has been discussed how positive employment can be in the lives of treatment court participants. As an employer, you will encounter many treatment court participants who work hard, are open to learning, and know how to problem solve to overcome challenges. If you are an employer out there as a treatment court graduate, I would encourage you to give treatment court participants the opportunity to contribute to your company. I am a testament to the fact that we can succeed in the workplace.